Have you ever wondered why magnets stick to your fridge but not to a plastic cup? It's a question that seems simple, yet it opens the door to the enigmatic world of magnetism. This invisible force, silently at play in everything from compass needles to colossal cosmic fields, is an integral part of our daily lives. Yet, its nature remains shrouded in mystery. So let's dive deeper into this fascinating world and unravel the mystery of magnetism. Imagine a world invisible to the naked eye, where forces pull and push with no apparent physical contact. Welcome to the world of magnetism. In this realm, magnets are the key players. They possess two poles, the north and the south, and they create an invisible area of influence known as a magnetic field. Think of this field like a sea of energy flowing from the North Pole to the south. Now, let's talk about the interaction between these poles. It's a bit like a dance. Similar poles repel each other, just as two dancers might shy away if they step on each other's toes. On the other hand, opposite poles attract, coming together in a graceful embrace. So what we have is a world of invisible forces, a dance of attraction and repulsion, all orchestrated by the humble magnet. And that, in essence, is the magic of magnets. The phenomenon of magnetism has captivated humans for thousands of years. The earliest records show ancient civilizations marveling at the mysterious properties of lodestones, naturally occurring magnets. The Greeks in particular found these stones intriguing and named them magnetite, after magnesia, a region where they were commonly found. Fast forward to the 16th century when an English physician and scientist, William Gilbert, made a groundbreaking discovery by demonstrating that our very own planet Earth behaves like a giant magnet. Gilbert's work laid the foundation for future scientists to build upon. One such scientist was Michael Faraday, who in the 19th century unveiled the principle of electromagnetic induction. This pivotal discovery was a game-changer, leading to the development of many modern electrical appliances that we use today. These discoveries were stepping stones to a deeper understanding of magnetism and its role in our world. You might not see it, but magnetism is at work all around us. It starts with the basics, like the humble refrigerator magnet holding up your shopping list. But it doesn't stop there. Consider the compass, an age-old navigational tool. Its needle, delicately balanced on a pivot point, aligns itself to the Earth's magnetic field, pointing us to the north. Now let's take a leap from the compass to something a bit more sophisticated, the magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI. This medical marvel uses a strong magnetic field and radio waves to create detailed images of the inside of your body. It's a non-invasive way for doctors to peek inside and diagnose various conditions. From the simple to the complex, magnetism is a silent force that shapes our daily lives. As we can see, magnetism is not just a scientific curiosity but a vital part of our everyday lives. But the story of magnetism doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. As we delve deeper into the world of magnetism, we encounter advanced concepts such as magnetic domains and electromagnetism. To put it simply, magnetic domains are regions within a material where the magnetic fields of atoms are grouped together and aligned. On the other hand, electromagnetism is the interaction between electric currents and magnetic fields, a phenomenon that forms the basis of many modern technologies. Cutting-edge research in magnetism is paving the way for exciting future applications. Imagine electric cars that charge wirelessly using magnetic fields, or data storage devices that can hold 1,000 times more information than today's hard drives, all thanks to magnetism. Moreover, the field of medicine is also set to benefit from advancements in magnetism. Magnetic nanoparticles, for instance, could be used to target and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy cells. Furthermore, the mysteries of magnetism could even help us understand the universe better. Scientists are unraveling the role of magnetic fields in the formation of galaxies and the behaviors of black holes. As we continue to explore the wonders of magnetism, we're not just looking at a scientific phenomenon, we're looking at an incredible tool, a key that could unlock solutions to some of our biggest challenges. Who knows what exciting discoveries await us in the future?